Hello everybody, I am Pradiksha from 5th Prithvi. Today I am going to show you a speech for Teachers Day. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. A very good morning to respected teachers and my dear friends. I am very much proud to be a part of this special occasion that is Teachers Day. We all celebrate this day on birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna. A teacher is a friend and guide of our life who also imparts good values in us. Teachers take their best efforts to turn the students into responsible citizens. Teachers play an very important role in each one of our life. The way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take, the love you give makes you the world's best teachers. Happy Teachers Day.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Madhuri. First of all, Happy Teachers Day. It is pleasure to talk about the great personalities our teachers. As you know, Teachers Day is commemorated on the 5th of September on the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar and a statesman who was highly devoted towards education. A teacher is a guide of our life who imparts good values in us. Teachers efforts a lot to turn us into a responsible citizen. It is because of you teachers that we are able to have the skills. No token of appreciation can never be enough to thank you. One pen, one book, one child, one teacher can change the world. Thank you.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं, मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। अपने संग तुझको वहाँ जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। गुजरे ऐसी हर रात रात हो, ख्वाहिशों से बात बात आशाएं, लेकर सूरज से आग आग गाए जा अपना राग राग आशाएं, कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा खुद खुश हो जाए खुदा। आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
शुभोदय, मेरा नाम है मयूका। मैं 5वीं कक्षा में पढ़ रही हूँ। आज मैं शिक्षक दिवस संदर्भ में एक भाषण दे रही हूँ। शिक्षक दिवस। भारत में शिक्षक दिवस प्रति वर्ष 5वीं सितंबर को मनाया जाता है। इस दिन को भारत के दूसरे राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जी का जन्म दिवस होता है। समाज के लिए शिक्षकों द्वारा किए गए योगदान को श्रद्धांजलि का एक चिन्ह के रूप में शिक्षक दिवस मनाया जाता है। डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जी शिक्षा में कट्टर विश्वास रखते थे और जाने माने विद्वान, राजनीतिक और आदर्श शिक्षक थे। वह एक महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानी भी थे। उनको अध्यापन के पेशे से एक गहरा प्यार था। शिक्षक दिवस पर शिक्षक और छात्र सामान्य रूप से विद्यालयों को जाते हैं, किंतु सामान्य गतिविधियों एवं अध्ययन और अध्यापन कार्य से अलग उत्सव, धन्यवाद और स्मरण की गतिविधियां संपादित होती है। कुछ विद्यालयों में इस दिन अध्यापन कार्य की जिम्मेदारी वरिष्ठ छात्रों द्वारा उठाई जाती है। भारतवर्ष के सभी शिक्षण संस्थानों में इस दिन को गंभीरता से मनाया जाता है। शिक्षक भी अपने छात्रों के दिल से आशीर्वाद देते हैं। इस दिन भारत के राष्ट्रपति द्वारा पुरस्कार देकर चयनित शिक्षकों को सम्मानित किया गया है। विभिन्न राज्यों द्वारा भी शिक्षकों को अनेक प्रकार के पुरस्कार एवं प्रशस्ति पत्र देकर शिक्षकों का सम्मानित किया जाता है। धन्यवाद।
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఉపాధ్యాయుల దినోత్సవ సందర్భంగా నేను ఒక పాట పాడుతున్నాను. వందనం మా వందనం గురు వందనం, వందనం మా వందనం గురు వందనం, గురువులకు వందనం, గురువులకు వందనం, అభివందనం సద్గురువులకు పాదాభివందనం, సద్గురువులకు పాదాభివందనం, గురువులకు వందనం. నిస్వార్థ చింతనతో పుత్రవాత్సముతో విద్య నేర్పే గురువులకు వందనం, మా వందనం, గురువులకు వందనం, అభివందనం
సద్గురువులకు పాదాభివందనం. గురువులకు వందనం వందనం. అజ్ఞాన తిమిరాన్ని ఓకార్చే సూర్యులు, విజ్ఞాన కాంతులను వెదజల్లే చంద్రులు. అజ్ఞాన తిమిరాన్ని ఓకార్చే సూర్యులు, విజ్ఞాన కాంతులను వెదజల్లే చంద్రులు. సకల విద్యలను నేర్చుటకు మార్గదర్శులు, సర్వవేదల ప్రాతస్మరణీయులు. గురువులకు వందనం అభివందనం. సద్గురువులకు పాదాభివందనం. జగద్గురువు శ్రీకృష్ణుడు వేద వ్యాసుడు. జగద్గురువు శ్రీకృష్ణుడు వేద వ్యాసుడు. ఆదిశంకరులు రామానుజాచార్యులు. ఆదిశంకరుడు రామానుజాచార్యులు. వందనం మా వందనం. గురువందనం వందనం మా వందనం. గురువందనం.
Wish you happy very Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September every year in India. The first Teachers Day was celebrated in India 1962 on 5th September 5th. It is the birthday anniversary of Bharat Ratna recipient Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna. He was a great president, a great scholar and an excellent teacher. Teachers Day is the best way for students to express love and respect for their teachers. Every teacher is a reflection of his or her student. Teachers are backbone of our society. Dear friends, we should always obey our teachers' order and follow their advice. Thank you.
Hi friends, I made a greeting for all my dear teachers. Good morning, respected principals, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Wish you all very happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on September 5th. The first Teachers Day is celebrated on 1962 September 5th. It is a birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna. He is a great president, a great scholar and excellent teacher. Thank you. Once again, very happy Teachers Day. నమస్కారం, నా పేరు ప్రేమ్. నేను 5వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నా. ముందుగా ఉపాధ్యాయ దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ముందుగా నేను పోయం చెప్తున్నా. గురు బ్రహ్మ, గురు విష్ణు, గురుదేవో మహేశ్వర, గురు సాక్షాత్ పరబ్రహ్మ, తస్మశ్రీ గురువే నమః. ధన్యవాదాలు.
My name is Nachirta. Happy Teachers Day. I will tell about Teachers Day of my class teacher. You guide when I was lost. You supported me. Today what I was tell just because of my teacher. Thank you.
Hi everybody, my name is Kirti. I am from 5th Akash. I am very happy for giving me the opportunity to give away the speech on the occasion of Teachers Day. I respect all my teachers and my dear students, and I convey my honorable thanks to my principals. Today on the occasion of Teachers Day, I want to say a few words about Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. But before starting the speech, I wish you a very happy Teachers Day, and I wish you to lead a happy life and achieve your goals. Being a teacher is a God's boon. Who such happiness in our achievements?
A teacher is a second mother. She wants to make us a role model for future generations. A doctor, lawyer, engineer, etc. will generate by the teachers only. If we have any doubts, she explains rapidly for many times. She will not irritate. That is a quality of good teacher. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was born on September 5, 1888 in Tirunelveli in Madras. He was born into a poor Brahmin family. His father and mother were Sarvepalli Veeraswamy and Seetamma. He was married to Shivakamu at the age of 16. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1952. And he was the first vice president of the India. And he was elected as the second president of the India in 1962. He was a great teacher. And due to every year on his birthday we all celebrate Teachers' Day. He died on April 16, 1975. I am very sad for losing a great personality like Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Many future generations take him as a role model and inspire with the speeches of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. I also want to become like Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. At last, once again, a happy Teachers' Day. Dear lovely student, Kirti. Thank you. Best Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Good morning, my name is. I wish you a happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day is birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan is second president. First president is Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan is not only president and good scholar. Teachers' Day is we celebrated Teachers' Day to respect our teachers. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Durga Tabaswami. I am studying in 5th class. Today I am singing a Veda on Teachers' Day. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Thank you. Hi friends, my name is Durga Tabaswani. I am studying in 5th class. Today I am saying about Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. First of all, happy Teachers' Day to all. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was a great person. He became the first vice president of the country and the second president of the India. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's birthday on 5th September is celebrated as a Teachers' Day. He was born on 1888 in Madras in very poor family. But Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was a greatest person and a greatest teacher. Thank you.
My name is Dinesh. I am from 5th Akash. Today I am telling about APJ Abdul Kalam. The full name of APJ Abdul Kalam was Abul Pakir Jain Begum Abdul Kalam. He was born on 15th October 1931 in the Rameswaram. Abdul Kalam was also a scientist, politician, teacher and writer. He is also known as a missile man because he created a fire-like missile for the army. Abdul Kalam was born into a poor family. He used to sell newspapers after coming from school to improve the economic situation. Abdul Kalam loved to live a simple life. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1997. Abdul Kalam is also called the president of the people because he always worked for the public interest. He loved reading the books and playing the veena. He died of a heart attack in July 27, 2015. Hello everybody, my name is Tejasvi Bhave. I am studying in 5th grade. Today I want to wait for Teachers Day dance.
चांदनी रात में डोली के साथ में आसमान में देखूंगा नगीना धीमे 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 सट मेरे सीने 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 कोई बड़ा शर्माते हैं तुझको शर्म क्यों आती है कातिल तेरी निगाहें काट गले गले जाती है तुझ में नशा है तू बिल्कुल अफीमा धीमे 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 सट मेरे सीने 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 होठ मेरे झुके निकला बदन पे तेरे फिसला लफ्ज मेरे होठ से झूले मैं तो तुझे देख के पिघला अगन में जली है जली है जली बस निकली हो गली है गली तुझे बस छूना है बिजली की डली है डली तेरा हुस्न सबसे आला है मुझे पागल करने वाला है आज नशा तेरा करके तेरा आशिक बनने वाला है सच सच बोल हकीकत या ये ड्रीम है मैं धीमे 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 सट मेरा सीना 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 कोई बड़ा शर्माते हैं देखो शर्म क्यों आती है कातिल तेरी निगाहें है काट गले गले जाती है और तुझ में नशा है तू बिल्कुल अफीम है धीमे 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 सट मेरा सीना 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 सीना
Good morning, respected principals, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Wish you all very happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on September 5th. The first Teachers Day is celebrated on 1962 on September 5th. It is the birth anniversary of the Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He is a great president, a great scholar, an excellent teacher. Wish you all very happy Teachers Day. Thank you.